Welcome to Homework Lib.
We want to construct a confidence interval for the difference between two population proportions, and so we'll use the confidence interval formula, which is going to be the difference between the two sample proportions plus or minus their critical z times the square root of the first sample proportion times 1 minus the first sample proportion over its sample size, plus the second sample's proportion times 1 minus the second sample's proportion over its sample size. We need to figure some things out. The first sample proportion is going to be 365 out of 502. The second sample proportion is going to be 433 out of 579. I'm going to leave them exact for my calculation. The z we'll be using for 95% is going to be 1.96. Our first sample size is 502 and our second sample size is 579. We're ready to calculate. We're going to go to 3 decimal places. So it would be 365 over 502 minus 433 out of 579 plus or minus 1.96 times the square root of 365 out of 502 times 1 minus 365 out of 502 over 502 plus 433 out of 579 times 1 minus 433 out of 579 over 579. That's how it's going into my calculator. Let's see what that spits out. Bear with for just a moment. Lower boundary to 3 places would be negative 0.073, and the upper boundary found by adding would be 0.032, which is not going to be statistically significant because that difference in 0 is in this interval.